So, you need a little help, huh? Well, here we go. Remember, the dimensions that they give you here are enough to find the volume of the water. Look, you can see length of the water, width of the water, and height of the water. But we don't want the volume of the water. We want the volume of the empty space above the water. So the first thing that you should do is take the height, let me get a different color here, take the height of the entire tank, 3/4 of a meter, and then subtract the height of the water, that's 1/2 meter. And once you do that, it will give you the height of the empty space, which is the third dimension that you need. So when you calculate the volume of the empty space, it's going to be length, 1 1/4, times width, 1/2, times whatever this ends up being. And remember, when you're subtracting fractions, these denominators right here have to be the same. So you're going to have to make some changes to that 1/2 so that it becomes fourths, and then you can subtract to get the height. And then you're just going to remember that volume equals, in a rectangular prism, length times width times height, and you should be able to get it. Hope that helps. See you next time.